In today's video, we are going to show you how to deposit money into your Expert Option account using a Visa card. The process is simple and takes only a few minutes. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, hover on the left side panel of your account and go to Finances. But by default, if this is your first time using the platform, you will automatically be redirected to the deposit option. And all I have to do now is click the Maestro and MasterCard because this is where you can use your Visa card. Now, enter the amount that you wanted to deposit. For example, let's say I am going to deposit this specific amount. And at the bottom, you need to click the pay button and you will be redirected here. Just click the proceed to payment, and then all I have to do now is provide all the information needed. Enter your card number, card holder name, expiration date. Make sure the Visa card is in your name and is enabled for online and international transactions. Review the deposit amount, click add funds or continue, and complete any bank security verification. And after a successful verification, the payment will be processed. Once the transaction is approved, the funds should appear in your Expert Option account balance and you can then begin trading. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to deposit money into Expert Option using a Visa card. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.